Wellington Chocolate Factory is New Zealand's first open to the public bean-to-bar shop. The factory makes organic chocolate using traditional methods from beans sourced around the world.
In less than a year, the Wellington Chocolate Factory has become an established part of the business community based around the Hannes Factory precinct here in Wellington.
We get the sacks in and we've got to hand sort through every sack. So we're just sorting them. So we've roasted the beans, so we need to break them up quite softly. So we got this machine built for us, and that separates the skin away from the bean, and then it goes into there. When it gets to a pasty stage, we add our sugar, and then we just leave it to refine for 72 hours per batch.
Co-owner Rochelle Harrison believes fair trade helps the community, but they now want to take ethical trading a step further and deal with the cocoa farmers directly.
We want to really connect with the farmers and see how much we can help them and give them a really fair price for their cacao and produce the best chocolate in the world.
In June, co-owner Gabe Davidson travelled to the autonomous region of Bougainville, an island cluster off the coast of Papua New Guinea, and found James Rutena, who's been growing cocoa for 40 years.
We're launching a Kickstarter campaign in a couple of weeks. What we're doing is raising money to improve James's cocoa processing facility so he can produce higher quality cocoa beans, which means that we can pay a higher price for them, 2 to 3 times what he's normally getting from the big industrial chocolate makers.
If the Kickstarter is successful, the chocolate factory team will use a sailing ship to bring at least 1 ton of cocoa beans from Bougainville into Wellington Harbour, which could produce up to 12,000 chocolate bars.
Hopefully we have a successful Kickstarter so we can achieve this and shine a positive light on Bougainville and showcase Bougainville as a world-class cocoa producing region.
The 3-week journey scheduled for June next year means chocolate lovers will have to wait a little longer for those carbon footprint-free Bougainville bars. Lisa Immelman for newswire.co.nz.